Hi folks, Jay the RV Coach here at Leisure Time Sales. Today coming to you from the factory at Grand Design in Elkhart, Indiana. Taking a look today at the 2026 Solitude 414 LJMJ. We're going to take a quick look. We got a lot of people, a lot of eyes want to see this one, but really a cool floor plan. We'll take a look at the outside. You do have one deck here. I'll show you the deck at the back here in a moment. 3 awnings on the outside of this unit, safety rail entrance. And now take a look at this. Here's your big kitchen as you walk in. Full-size Norcold fridge, 4-burner cooktop, full-size oven, all kinds of cupboard space on either side, full-size GE microwave. Integrated shades throughout. This has been one of my new features I really enjoy. Features are built into the squared-off windows. You can see storage here. On the inside of the kitchen area, high-rise faucet over top of the smart sink. Nice combo to the dinette. Those integrated squared-off windows are here too. You can see the full living space. L-shaped couch. More cupboards above, so just again storage all through the coach. It's highly usable. And you can see as we step back here, I'm almost to the side deck. All kinds of space in this area. Beautiful finish here with the wall in behind the entertainment center. Electric fireplace. And again, the squared off windows are they're just fantastic. I'm gonna show you one more, but as you can see, integrated into the squared off window with the shade in there. Just a nice touch. Take a step up here into the secondary space. So this is the bunk area. You can see the secondary spot to sit and eat. Folded into a sleeping position right now. You get a drop down bed over top. TV's built into this unit. And there's your bunk. All kinds of storage as you can see. And here in the back, you've got a full bathroom, full shower, Thetford toilet, and a full complement of space to store stuff in the bathroom as well. We'll head out to the side deck. Take a look at that. This is a side supported deck. Got a full entertainment center here. Fridge, some cupboards. And of course a pull-out flat top griddle and a little sink, so you can really do everything you want out here with some space to spare. We'll head up into the front part of the coach, a couple steps up into the washroom here on the left. So a full-size tub, not something you're going to see every day in an RV. You've got the skylight to brighten it up a little bit. So 2 full bathrooms in this unit. Medicine cabinet here, ceramic toilet, and some corner storage there as well. But really the tub is the cool thing. I mean, you just don't see that in an RV on a day-to-day basis. So a nice one to take a good look at. In the bedroom, queen size bed. You've got the integrated shades again. I'm gonna stop talking about those. I think they're the coolest thing I've seen. You've got the hidden hamper here. So if you want to pass that through into the bathroom area, keep your clothes all up and out of the way. Full electric fireplace here. Some storage below. TV is going to come up here out of the elevator. Room here for a washer dryer if you'd like it, or if you don't need that, you can have the additional storage. And a great space here to the right to keep a few things as well, just tucked away. And effectively a walk-in closet here in the front, spot here for your Starlink if you choose to go that internet route, and all kinds of place to hang things. Folks, this has been a quick look at the 2026 414 LJMJ here at Grand Design headquarters in Elkhart. This has been Jay the RV Coach, reminding you that from the manufacturer to the showroom to the campground, I've got you covered.